Oh my gosh, I look a freaking mess, but whatever. Hi guys, what's up? It's me. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Melanie, and in today's video, I'm so excited because today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. Now, I have an I have an iPhone 12 right now. This is a 13. Honestly, if it were up to me, I would keep this phone because I don't really care. Like, it works perfectly fine. Like, it works amazing. But the thing is that AT&T like locked my phone, I guess. So now I can't like send text messages or receive calls, and my service is paid. So I don't know what happened. We don't know what happened. My mom's gonna try and get it unlocked. But I had to get a new phone. Unfortunately, I love this phone, and the phone case that it has on is so cute. I'm actually gonna take it off because I'm gonna try and put it on the 13 just for now until I. Oh shoot! Just for now until I. Sorry about that. I accidentally clicked my volume button. As I was saying, this is the phone case. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so sad that I'm not gonna be able to use it anymore, but I plan on like getting a shelf and like putting a whole bunch of Spider-Man stuff in there because I fucking love Spider-Man. I literally have Spider-Man everything. I have a little mini Spider-Man backpack right there. Look at it. Oh, she's so cute. I got it from Disneyland last month. Not even a month ago, a couple weeks ago actually. But yeah. So I got the iPhone 13 in black. I didn't get to pick the color unfortunately, but because if I did, I probably would have chose purple or pink. But my grandma bought this for me, so thank you, Grandma. And she opened the box, and she already ripped the seal off, which, Grandma, why would you do that? I wanted to do it, but it's okay. Oh, actually, I don't even think there was a seal on it. Oh, yes, there was. She ripped it off. Thanks, Grandma. I went downstairs, and she opened the phone. Grandma, can you wait a second? Why are you excited? It's not your phone. Anyways, let's open her. So excited. Oh, girl, you're gonna break it already. Oh my gosh. I don't have a case or anything for it yet. Oh, I should have just bought the case yesterday. I was gonna do it, but this is the phone. She's so pretty. I love black phones though, so I'm not even mad about the color. I always get black phones. This phone that I have right now is a navy blue. Love it. So pretty. ASMR. And everybody knows what comes in this part. Charger and instructions, and yeah. Let's go ahead and power her on. Okay, sorry, my Sims 4 game. I'm home because I'm sick and my mom thinks I might have COVID, unfortunately. I'm really hoping I don't. I think I just have a little cough, but I had heat flashes last night too. She's so pretty. I had heat flashes last night. I had heat flashes last night too, so maybe it's COVID, but I'm really hoping it's not. I don't even know if heat flashes are like a part of the symptoms. Oh my gosh. Swipe. Oh, my fingerprints are gonna get on it. And I don't have a screen protector or nothing. I gotta do that. I gotta buy one. I think it's the same size as this phone. I think it might be like the slightest bit bigger. I don't know. It's so pretty though. Okay, all right. The quality is gonna, wow, I'm so sorry. I'm going to record it on my MacBook so that way you guys can see the setup, which I know you guys probably know how to set up a phone, but hey, I'm gonna do it anyways, okay? All right. Okay, so now we have both phones. Like I said, see, this is my old one. This is the new one. As you can see, I clearly like Spider-Man. Yo, I hope you guys can't hear the fans. I have a very old, my MacBook is pretty old, so she just needs a minute, all right? I really hope you guys can't hear the fans. I'm so sorry if you can. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, the lag. The lag is so real. Calm down, Boogie. Oh, it's because my Sims game. Oh my god. Ooh, you guys want to see the new vinyl I'm getting? Oh, you can't see it, but I'm getting House of Balloons by The Weeknd, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing video, of course. This is my first Weeknd vinyl. Oh, so excited. I've been wanting to get Weeknd vinyls for forever, but I always just like find one that I kind of want a little bit more. Which I love The Weeknd. I've been listening to The Weeknd since like 2014. But like I've also been listening to a lot of other people since 2014. So I think this wasn't in Face ID now. Face ID is now set up. It's a 944. Where is my Cash App card? It's in my purse. It's my purse. I think it's 944. My purse is right here. I'm pretty sure it's 944. I don't need to read no fucking instructions on how to set it up. But okay, and I have to do a software update. I'll be back once the software update is done. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm back. And my phone is all set up. I'm so happy. I'm getting text messages. I'm getting text messages. I can call again. This is freaking amazing. I'm so happy. Thanks, Grandma. I love you so much. Please. I don't even know what I was going to say. Why did I say please? But yeah, thanks, Grandma. I love ya. And look at my phone. Oh, this was text messages between me and Bestie. You can't see those. No. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be soon because I'm gonna make a vinyl unboxing of me opening my Weeknd vinyl. So excited. But actually I'm lying because it's gonna take a little while to get here, but probably sometime next week depending on when it gets here, because I'm gonna unbox it when it gets here. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I hope everybody has a good day.